Hello there. Have a little bit of a issue with my new to me Okuma where my tooling isn't quite lining up. And so they said, well, you need a three-piece tool holder for adjusting the turret. And this is a turret here. It's a standard umbrella 40 taper Cat40, and to adjust it you got to get an alignment tool, three-piece alignment tool. Well, I didn't have the money for that. I'm just a retired hobbyist. So I had a whole bunch of 40 taper tools that were a little bit long in the tooth. So I took the 40 taper tool and I made an alignment tool out of spare parts I had. So I thought I'd share that with guys that need to do this sort of thing. So I took a tool that basically looked a lot like this one right here. You know, it's a 40 taper, 1/2 inch or 3/8 end mill tool holder. And then I cut the taper off. And of course the resultant hole, and I left the retention knob on it, of course, because I need that. And then I took the flange part and cut just the flange that goes in the tool holder with the same size hole, and I kind of cleaned that hole up a little bit. And then I had a shaft that I had made for another project that was a long shaft which happened to fit in the hole, oddly enough, coincidentally. Has a taper on the end, and I'm thinking, I'm not sure, I might take that thread off but leave the taper. So here's the deal. And I took a handle off my deburring machine, and it's the same thread. Definitely a coincidence. So I'll get another knob, but I thought that was pretty neat. So the taper, this taper here, that goes up in the spindle. Just like this, goes right up in the spindle and then clamps in. And of course you have the hole on the end for an alignment hole for your tool changer when it comes in to line up with that taper. This piece right here that's off the tool holder goes in the tool holder just like this. You snap it into place and there it is. And of course you got the hole perfectly aligned with the fingers for your tool changer. Now if I'm strong enough, I'll pull that out. So now all I needed was my alignment pin, which by coincidence I had on another old job. This pin is probably, I don't know, maybe 10, 12 years old. So, I apologize, this is on my iPhone and I'm not much of a video guy. So anyway, we take, let's see if I can get this lined up. So here's our shaft. We take the flange, this here, that goes down on the pin. So in other words, this would be in the tool magazine anyway, the tool holder magazine. So we put the pin up through it while it's being held in the fingers on the tool changer, and then we align this up with the movement of the cross travel and rotation of the tool changer, and line it up with the tool taper, this tool taper. And this pin will go up in that tool taper that's in the spindle, and of course this is in the tool magazine, and there's your alignment. So I was pretty happy with that, and basically I would say this tool might have cost me, I don't know, I think I got it on eBay, might have cost me 35 bucks. I believe the alignment tool, if you buy one now, is about $300 and some. So I'm really pleased that I saved some money, and I wanted to share with my fellow hobbyist machinists that this is something that can be done. It's a tool that can be used for a very long time, and I hope it helps somebody else. Thank you.